Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's my great honor to join you to talk about one of the most important issues and a big concern in industrialization, that is industrial safety. On behalf of UNIDO, as a GMIS co-chair organization, I would like to thank our UAE counterparts, include MOIAT and also GMO team for hosting this event. I also would like to welcome and thank you, all of you, for your participation. As the UN specialized agency for promoting industry development, we at UNIDO pay particular attention to industrial safety. For the past years, we have been studying, promoting, and also advocating for it. In 2019, we launched the Conference of Ensuring Industry Safety and Security, which initiated discussions about safe and also secure industry sites. Experts from all fields, cybersecurity, environmental safety, and industry technology, safety authorities shared their thoughts on a comprehensive approach to industrial safety. The conversation has been going on, and also awareness has been increased, especially during the global pandemic. This has gained interest among stakeholders. With this spirit, we started to deliberate on the future of industrial safety. UNIDO jointly developed a manifesto of GFIS together with our partners, which set up 5 industrial principles for safety and a column joint actions. We see many challenges, but we believe the effort is worthwhile when we see the benefits of safety in industry. We have seen some positive developments, and also we see we need to work closer and together to make sure everyone benefits. Advanced technology change industries rapidly. They introduce innovative solutions while also bring challenges. The future of industry safety depends greatly on a country's ability to handle this change. This is important to understand how poor safety challenges sustainable development. Digital transformation and AI are exposing some of the challenges, including digital divide. We need to ensure that access to technologies is evenly distributed and secured. This is certainly possible if the international community responds to it. However, it is not just one employee, one company, or one country can improve safety. It is a shared responsibility. We learned lessons from many places, but we must avoid countries pay the price for safety with accidents. They result in many life loss, health issues, environmental damage, and billions in economic losses. Technologies can help improve safety, but they must be safe and secure before being widely used. This is especially true for AI and will also impact the progress of achieving the SDGs. Unless there is a decisive action and attention to the international safety worldwide. We strongly advocate inclusive practice that enhance safety, use technology to reduce environmental damage, and also promote sustainable circular economy. With rule enforcement and active monitoring of safety regulations, new technology can be a game changer. It is important to raise awareness and build a community of practitioners as the global economy faces safety and security challenges at all stages of development. Let me conclude with this. Safety has always been defined by an organization's culture that values health, environmental, and inclusiveness. All public and private sectors are encouraged to act upon industry safety regulations for transformative and sustainable industry development. I strongly believe in UNIDO's motto, progress by innovation. Innovation in technology has always led to safe and resilient industries that can sustainably deliver economic development. I look forward to today's insightful discussions. Wish today's conference a great success. Thank you all.